Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Chatbase Chatbot to Webflow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Chatbase Chatbot to Webflow, start by logging into your Chatbase account. If you don't have an account, visit the Chatbase website to create one. Once logged in, click on the Create New Bot option. Follow the prompts to set up your new chatbot. Fill in the necessary details, such as the bot's name and purpose. After setting up the bot, navigate to the Integration section in the dashboard. Find and select the Webflow integration option. You will see instructions and a script to embed your chatbot. Copy the provided JavaScript code. Now, open a new tab and log into your Webflow account. Select the project where you want to add the Chatbase chatbot. In the Webflow Designer, click on the Pages panel. Choose the page where you wish to add the chatbot. Once on the page, go to the Settings panel. Scroll down to the before/body text section. Paste the JavaScript code you copied from Chatbase in this section. After pasting the code, click the Save button. Now, publish your Webflow site to apply the changes. Once published, open your website in a new tab to see the chatbot in action. Test the chatbot to ensure it's functioning as intended. If you encounter any issues, return to the Chatbase dashboard for troubleshooting. Congratulations, your Chatbase chatbot is now connected to your Webflow site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.